How to make a paracord bracelet harmony. Very beautiful, yet very simple and easy to make, but very thick paracord bracelet, so make sure to leave an extra inch or so on your jig when you start making this. I hope that you love it, so enjoy and leave a comment on the end of this video. Hello my dear friends, long time no see. I am grateful to be here back with you. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for today's awesome paracord project. The credit for this bracelet goes to our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to the Pavel's Instagram profile. We're gonna use the green paracord, the lime paracord, and for the bracelet cord, the brown paracord 550. Now we're gonna create the base first, so take the ends of a brown, pull it together to find the center. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So let's start. First we're gonna create a little bite in the middle of this brown cord, and then we're gonna pass it through, let me just zoom a bit, from the top into the buckle, and we're gonna create the basic cow's hitches. So from the top into the buckle, and then these two ends through the loop we just created. Now pull it to make it tight, and now we're gonna pass to the bottom side. So we're gonna take the one end and we're gonna pass it from the top into the buckle, and then we're gonna pass it from the left to the right. By doing this we're gonna create another cow's hitch. So pass the left side on top of this end here, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the buckle, pull it all the way, and now through this loop here. The whole time you will need to have your left finger under these cords here, so you need to pinch it to stay secure, and then we're gonna tie it firm as this. And from the top side so pull it through the buckle on top, and now we're gonna do the left side on the bottom as we did on the right side. So from the top into the buckle, so now when we created our bracelet core, so 4-strand core with 2 working ends, we're gonna insert our green and lime. As you can see, I joined them together. So we're gonna pass it under this strand here. Let me zoom a bit. And then through the cow's hitches from the back. And as you can see, we're gonna pull it all the way where the cords are joined together. So the right strand working end will be under this green, And now we're gonna start with our weaving process. So we're gonna take our right side cord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the right side and all the way to the left. We're gonna do the same with the left strand. So from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side and to the right side. Later on we're gonna tie it well, secure it. Now from here we're gonna take our lime color and we're gonna insert it again from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the left side. Then we're gonna go under and we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side, and we're gonna pull it. Now we're gonna take our green paracord and we're gonna pass it on top of the cord strands, and then again from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side, where we passed our lime color as well. Now through, and then we're gonna return it from the back through the gap between first and second cord strand from the right side. So take the right side brown from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand on the right side, then to the side, with the left one again from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the left side. Now take the lime color from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand from the left, and from the back pass it through the gap between first and second cord strand from the right side and through. Now we're gonna take our green, pass it from the back, from the top into the gap between first and second cord strand on the left side, and then we're gonna return it again from the back through the gap between first and the second cord strand of the right side and through. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any comments, feel free to leave it down below in the comment section and we'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.